Yo, what's up everyone? Thinking about diving into the world of YouTube? It's a wild ride, full of creativity, hustle, and a whole lot of fun. But let's be real, it's not just about hitting record and hoping for the best. This guide? It's your roadmap to navigating the YouTube jungle and building a channel that pops. We're talking finding your niche, crafting killer content, and connecting with your audience. We'll break down the secrets of YouTube SEO, the art of thumbnails that grab attention, and how to turn your passion into a paycheck. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, when you see that subscriber count climb and hear the buzz around your videos, it's pure magic. So grab your camera, charge your batteries, and let's do this thing. Ready to become the next YouTube sensation? Let's go! First things first, you gotta figure out what makes your channel unique. What's your story? What gets you fired up? This is your niche, the sweet spot where your passions meet your audience's interests. Maybe you're a tech whiz who loves reviewing the latest gadgets, or a beauty guru with a knack for makeup tutorials. Maybe you're a gamer with mad skills, or a foodie sharing your culinary adventures. Whatever it is, own it. Think about what you enjoy watching yourself. What channels do you find yourself binge-watching for hours? That's a good indication of what resonates with you. And chances are, there are others out there who share your interests. Don't be afraid to niche down. The more specific you are, the easier it'll be to target your audience and stand out from the crowd. Remember, you don't need to appeal to everyone, just the right people. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to build your content strategy. This is the foundation of your channel's success. This is your game plan for creating awesome videos that keep your viewers coming back for more. A well-thought-out strategy will help you stay organized and focused. Think of it like a TV series. You need a hook, engaging characters, that's you, and a storyline that keeps people interested. And just like a TV series, you need a consistent release schedule. Consistency builds trust and anticipation among your audience. Start by brainstorming video ideas. This is where creativity meets strategy. What questions does your audience have? Engage with your viewers to understand their needs and interests. What problems can you solve? Offering solutions to common problems can position you as an authority in your niche. What kind of entertainment can you provide? Humor and entertainment can make your content more relatable and shareable. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats, like tutorials, vlogs, reviews, challenges, or even short films. Variety can keep your content fresh and exciting. Establish a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Your audience will appreciate the predictability and know when to expect fresh content. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to take your time and produce something great. It's better to upload one amazing video a month than 10 mediocre ones. High-quality content will set you apart from the competition. Put in the effort and it'll show. Your dedication and hard work will pay off in the long run. So get out there, start creating, and remember, content is king and queen. Section 4. Quality over quantity. Make 'em stop and stare. Let's talk production value, people. It's not just about having the most expensive gear or the fanciest setup. It's about making the most of what you have and focusing on the elements that truly matter. You don't need a Hollywood studio to create high-quality videos, but you do need to pay attention to the details. Small improvements can lead to significant enhancements in your video quality. Good lighting, clear audio, and a clean background can elevate your content. These are the basics that can make or break your video. And let's not forget about editing. Crisp editing can make all the difference. It can turn a mediocre video into something engaging and professional. Invest in decent equipment, even if it's just a good microphone and some basic lighting to start. These investments will pay off in the long run by improving the overall quality of your videos. Learn the basics of video editing and experiment with different software. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. There are tons of free resources available online. From YouTube tutorials to online courses, you have a wealth of information at your fingertips. But here's the thing, fancy gear doesn't automatically equal a good video. It's about how you use what you have to tell your story effectively. The most important ingredient is you and your ability to tell a compelling story. Your passion and authenticity are what will truly resonate with your audience. Be authentic, be engaging, and let your personality shine through. People connect with people, not just polished videos. Your unique personality is your biggest asset. Don't be afraid to show it. Confidence and authenticity can make your content stand out. Think about pacing, music, and how you can use visuals to enhance your storytelling. These elements can add depth and emotion to your videos. Visual effects and storyboarding can help you plan and execute your ideas more effectively. They can also make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Keep your videos concise and to the point, cutting out any unnecessary fluff. Every second should serve a purpose and keep your audience engaged. Remember, attention spans are short these days, so make every second count. Analyze your video performance and learn from it. This will help you improve and create even better content in the future. Section 5. Your tribe, your voice, building a community. In this section, we will explore the importance of creating a strong, engaged community around your YouTube channel. It's not just about the content you produce, but also about the relationships you build with your viewers. YouTube isn't just about broadcasting your message, it's about building a community around your content. This means actively engaging with your audience, understanding their needs, and making them feel valued. When viewers feel like they are part of a community, they are more likely to stay loyal and engaged. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and ask for feedback. This interaction shows that you care about their opinions and are willing to listen. It can also provide valuable insights into what your audience enjoys and what they want to see more of. By taking the time to reply to comments and ask for feedback, you can create a more interactive and dynamic channel. Make them feel like they're a part of your journey. Share your experiences, challenges, and successes with them. This transparency helps to build trust and a deeper connection. When viewers feel like they are part of your journey, they are more likely to support you and your content. Host Q&A sessions, live streams, or even meetups to connect with your audience on a deeper level. These events provide an opportunity for real-time interaction and can help to strengthen the bond between you and your viewers. Live streams and Q&A sessions allow you to address questions and comments directly, making your audience feel heard and appreciated. Create a sense of belonging and foster a supportive environment where people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. Encourage positive interactions and be mindful of the tone and atmosphere of your community. A supportive environment can lead to more meaningful discussions and a stronger sense of community. Building a strong community takes time and effort, but it's one of the most rewarding aspects of being a YouTuber. Consistency and dedication are key. Regularly engage with your audience and show them that you value their presence. Over time, these efforts will pay off as your community grows and becomes more engaged. When you have a dedicated group of fans who are invested in your content and your success, it pushes you to create even better work and strengthens your bond with your audience. Celebrate milestones and achievements with your community. Acknowledge their support and let them know how much they mean to you. Remember, your viewers are not just numbers on a screen. They're real people with their own stories, perspectives, and interests. Take the time to get to know them and understand what makes them unique. This personal connection can make a significant difference in how your community perceives you and your content. Treat them with respect, value their input, and watch your community flourish. By fostering a positive and inclusive environment, you can create a space where people feel welcome and appreciated. This, in turn, will lead to a more engaged and loyal audience, helping your channel to grow and thrive.
Yeah.